First, download the MT4 custom indicator to your computer. Then, open your MetaTrader 4 platform and click on File from the top menu. Select Open Data folder. This will take you to the root directory of your MT4 installation. Navigate to the MQL4 folder. Then click on Indicators. This is where you will save the custom indicator file. Go back to MetaTrader 4. Click Navigator. Click in the indicators and click Refresh. Drag the custom indicator onto the chart and adjust its inputs and colors as needed. Then, click OK. That's it. Your indicator has been installed on MetaTrader 4 platform.